Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to toggle charging in battery mode feature on this laptop. First of all, power your PC on and then start pressing F2 key repeatedly to enter BIOS menu. So press the power button to power it on and then repeatedly key F2 button. Repeatedly press F2 button until the BIOS menu appears on your screen. Then go into configuration settings, and in configuration settings scroll down to the charge in battery mode option. So if you want to charge external devices using your laptop even when it's on battery, you have to select enabled option. Now if you don't want other devices to be able to charge from your PC when your PC is on battery power, select disabled. Once you select the option that you're content with, press F10 to confirm and then press enter to apply changes. Otherwise, you can press escape and then select no if you want to discard them. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.